Alright, so what we've got is a 2005 Chrysler Town and Country. And get the camera over here so you can see the dash. We'll put the key in, turn it on, and nothing, not even a light on the dash. So we're gonna go check out the battery. We'll put a voltmeter on it and see if we got any voltage at all. Okay, so here we are. We've got the digital voltmeter, and we've got it set on the 20 volt scale. Now this is only about a $20 meter. Everybody should have one of these. You can check so many things over your lifetime with a small little meter. You don't have to have a real expensive one. So what I'm doing is I'm going to connect one terminal to positive and the next terminal to negative on the battery here. And so we got one on positive, one on negative. We're actually looking for 12.5 volts, and you can see we have less than 1 volt, and that's at the battery terminals. So this battery is dead, and it's about 15 degrees out here, and I don't really have any way to charge it up. So what we're going to do is remove this battery and take it into the local auto parts store where they'll charge it for free. And then if it's a good battery, we'll bring it back and reinstall it. Now, in order to remove the battery, this is the negative side of the battery. It's first to come off and then the last to go on. So it's going to take a 10 millimeter socket or a wrench here. This comes off first. Then we're going to go over here and we're going to remove this or just loosen this 10 millimeter nut, and we'll take this cable off. Now you notice this type of cable right here, it clamps around the battery. Sometimes you have to put a screwdriver right in here and twist it to open this terminal up so it'll come off. That's what that little notch right there is for. Once we get the cables off the battery, there's a hold down right here. It takes a 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter socket, and take that nut completely off, and remove this plate and put it aside so you don't lose it. It's real important. It anchors the battery down and keeps it from bouncing around. So that's where we're at on this, and we'll do a follow-up video when we get the battery back. While I'm here though, I wanted to just look for it froze 2 nights in a row, and they told me they poured antifreeze in it, but they weren't sure, since they couldn't start the car, whether it got circulated through. And so I don't see it's warmed up enough. I guess it has not warmed up enough to thaw, but I don't see any signs of coolant has been leaking or anything. But we'll come back to this. We'll get this battery out and we'll do a follow-up video, and we'll piece them all together. Thanks again. Okay, we got this battery back in the 2005 Town and Country minivan. We put the positive on first and the negative on last. We're going to check our voltage here. We got 12.47. So we're going to go ahead and see if this car will start up. Alright, so if the car starts, we're going to go out and check our charging voltage. Make sure it's all good. Alright, so there we go, 14.9 volts. So we're charging good. So this video is a wrap, guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Go to my Herbalife website, check out all the great products, and I'll put up some more videos for you. Thank you.